Won't they get wet or fall or drunk or something? You act like you've done this before.
No, I haven't done it before, no.
Not one of those. Oh, you heard about the Laurel police guy?
No, I didn't.
He got arrested for filming young girls.
So doing what with a young girl?
Filming?
Doing what?
Secretly, they were in the locker room.
Oh, really?
And didn't tell anybody. Like a young girl.
Well, it's actually sitting right up there.
I have to get my uniform out of that rag.
It's just sitting
Where's
right
the rag,
here.
honey?
It's sitting right there. The bag.
Right, our uniform.
Uniforms are on top of the thing where it was.
The new bag. Our uniform.
We emptied the bag. The bag is empty.
The one tired yet?
Yeah. It's on top of the dresser. Your uniform, whatever was in there, went with the other uniform. Watch out, Pepper. Watch out. All right, come on in here. I'm going to start off. Yeah, there's plenty of water for everybody. Watch out, Pepper. Watch out. Well, it's enough water. We have a party up in here.
You need to shave?
I'm going to shave.
Okay.
I don't know how much of this film. Like I say, I don't know how much actual film we're going to get. But we're going to get the sound. Except we might get knocked out by the water. We might not hear ourselves because of the water. You follow me?
Yeah, I know. Pepper. What you doing, buddy?
Buddy,
Pepper.
I'm going to give her a complex. Buddy.
What you doing, buddy?
Hello, buddy. Do I call you buddy?
No, but she's my buddy. Look at her.
Hope there ain't no water rolling around here.
Why?
It don't seem like it's getting hot.
Do you have a hot water on?
Yeah, it's full blast.
Pepper, I'm sorry. Which end are you getting?
One in that end. Any end. Any end is a good end.
That end.
Here, jump under there.
No, you go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Do you have a hot water on?
It's all on, baby. It's on as much as it can be.
Are you
It's full
sure?
blast. Full blast. Look at yourself.
You're so cute. You want to wash your hair?
I mean, I gotta brush. I gotta put my face first. Oh, I don't feel even cold at all.
I think you got too much cold on.
I'm trying to get as much water out as possible. But I did that.
Oh, you did that already?
I'll take some of that, maybe.
Okay.
That's enough. See, it shouldn't be any cold water.
What do you mean, any cold water? Here you go.
I mean,
Something's not right.
this is how it always is, honey.
No.
This is how.
Yeah, it's so warm when I'm in here. What's going on?
Well, I gotta turn the cold down.
Yeah,
Turn it down, but I'm telling you, it's not gonna be any water left. As soon as the cold's out, it's gonna be less water.
Something's not right there because I have a big.
Now, this is how it always goes, though, baby. Well,
Shouldn't.
I'm just saying the power. Forget about the temperature.
Pressure
I'm talking about the
you're
pressure.
talking,
This is the most of the water that ever comes out of here. You know that, right?
No. Well, yeah, but it should be warmer, honey.
Well, no, it's warmer now. It's warmer.
Is
Feel
it warmer?
It's warmer. I cut back when it's cold. I just turned it. I'm used to
Very
turning it.
cold.
Here, a little fluffy thing for you.
Finish this silly.
Look at you. Look at yourself.
Yeah, look at that.
Here, get in here.
No, just soak it up first. You go ahead and do your hair.
I'm gonna, no, I always do the hair last. I'm gonna shave. I'm gonna do the shave thing.
Okay, do the shave thing. You need this?
Yep. Look what I tell you. Now, I have to admit, speaking of sexy, I do look sexy.
You do?
No, when I look in the mirror, you look, watch you see my sexy face.
How much?
A little more than that. More than that. That's fine, I guess.
Okay.
No, look, you can see my sexy face. Watch, I have to be sexy to look in here. To look at myself, I have to be sexy in the corner.
Oh, honey, you are sexy. How do you think you're not?
I understand what's sexy. You convinced me.
No, you are. You're very sexy.
I can sexy. Here's my sexy shaving face.
I've never seen you shave.
That's true. How many people really have seen you shave? Think about it. You're pretty much me.
Oh, because they're not in the show, right?
Yeah, that's true. It's still cold.
Did you turn the cold
Turn
down?
it way down, and it's still not very hot. You notice that?
Usually it's hot. I think you don't have it on right. You think?
Got what on that?
Usually it's hotter than that. It's so hot sometimes.
Oh, it's probably burning the hell out of it.
You are something else. Do you have enough razors? I guess you do, right?
Yeah. Not now. I found them all. These will last me
Yeah, we found.
February or March or more.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
You use one a week or something?
No, every couple
of
3
days?
weeks. 3 weeks.
One every 3 weeks?
Something like that. Well, I only do it twice to 2 or 3 times a week.
Oh, man. That doesn't fog up?
No,
You can see?
very little it fogs up. A little.
Oh, you see.
It fogs up a little, but not much. I can't see now. Hey, go in there a minute. Let me throw some stuff on here. One of these things. This is the best stuff anyway. Smell it straight out of the bottle. Is that the best? You put this on, you ain't feeling no pain, let me tell you.
And it doesn't wash off?
It might a little, I don't care. Like I said, the main thing is you just that, your face stains after you shave.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Legs
Mine
stink.
has a little thing
Your
on
legs
it.
stink too, right?
Well, I have a thing on mine.
Yeah, well your
It's
legs
a little
stink.
alum thing. Don't you
Yeah.
have this? I have this.
No, I don't have that.
Check.
No, I don't have
See
that.
this thing at the top? That keeps it from burning.
That's the thought.
Mm-hmm.
Stay right there, stay right there.
You want to try
No,
one of them?
no, No, I'm good.
Might like it better.
No. I've tried those. I've had those. I got them from men too.
But you might want to try the women's.
Are you gonna do your hair?
No.
Okay.
Not until tomorrow. Well, you'll never
Tomorrow
dry
morning?
tonight. You'll never dry.
Big titties.
Will you shampoo your hair?
If you want. It's so helpful. When shampoo you with food. Shampoo you with poo poo.
This is funny. You get the back of your hair. Come on, come on.
Yeah.
You need a bigger shower, don't you?
Yeah. We can sing. Let's sing while we got this. If nothing else, we're probably not going to get pictures, but we can get some. What song you want to sing? Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I dreamed of once in a lullaby. Someday I wish upon a star and make up where the clouds are far behind me. Well, da-da-da-da-da-da. Where is where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high.
I think that's where you were.
There's a land that I dreamed of once in a lullaby. I love you too. I found you in a lullaby land. Right?
I think you were somewhere over the rainbow.
Yeah, we were both over the rainbow somewhere.
Yeah.
Looking for a leprechaun. I found a leprechaun. What do you think of that? I found that leprechaun and found the pot of gold too. Oh, no, wait, you got all the shampoo in it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Coconut, my favorite.
Is it?
Yeah. Someday I wish upon a star.
Just like you do this, you suck you
Wake up where the clouds are far behind me.
How come somebody didn't snag you? You're so sweet.
I don't know.
You're so irresistible.
They were letting me go so you could catch me.
That's nice.
I said, I know when he's damn near 100 years old, Patty's gonna find him. So we'll let him go back in the pond. That's what happened. And I'm like, I gotta wait for the mysterious Patty. When's she coming? When I'm 26 years old. When the hell's she coming? Oh, she's coming, son. She's coming. Bear with it. She'll be coming when she gets here.
When she's old.
27 years later. Holy Jesus.
Oh, you're adorable.
Not as adorable as you.
What are you doing?
Getting up under the water.
To get warm?
Yeah, you get warm. Get under the water.
I'm under the water. My hair's going to be so wet. It's never going to dry.
We'll both bask in the 3 or 4 drops of water here.
You're soaking wet and you're talking about sugar. You're so cute. Did you clean up?
I did. Did you clean Miss Susie up? You know what we're gonna do with Miss Susie.
Ouch!
Susie, get out of this house.
So that's thing.
Miss Susie is mine. Good. Whew. Yeah. There we go. A little more. The door's shut already. The door, oh my God, the door's hardly
She was in
open.
here. I couldn't, she was halfway in the door and halfway out the door. I wasn't going to do that to her.
We'll just let her in then.
Well, she can come in.
Now we got a draft in here. Do you see the problem here with the draft?
We have a draft because there's draft beer at the sink, okay?
Yeah.
You got this. Then you turn it off.
Yeah, can we turn it off? You done?
Yeah, you can turn it off.
Here you go. Hang that up on the...
Yeah. I'll get a little thing for that too, so I can hang this.
Okay, that's the end of our picture.